Shubor nakaslem jong Nong Hima.
DC ke West Giant Hills Abhinav Kumar Singh IAS Pynthut bagajiakran pedeng kinong shnong Lapangap bat ki Karbi hatapan kalong kaba seiso hak babaro Riang kilay ailat markeliang banirap suk repsan hakiling kha jongki habakran shikilat patai kubor DC uloong bagajiakran hanigasngi baro Riang kilay rai ban rap light luot bat kinong Lapangap ru kila rai ban sha ikinong tapat ban rap ban riang Hendai anam syapat bandrap ikijingrap bakham he. Ulang bayamenta kidang ap naki bor bahador lingba menteri rangba berusumbut menteri rangba kajila namar bakajiakran kampat poi syakabakut watla kinong tapat kila pentikna ban ailat ikinong Lapangap banlet biang syakijakarap jongki. Shuh ulang bay ki bor pahara lapen klan bah ketika than kumjuru hakijakarap bat kumjuru kiya yatreilang bat ki bor pahara na asam ban pentikna ban shimiki sienjam ban khanglat nagajingmi biang kajinga kulmar ki bor district bat ki pulet kidang yale akat bala ban pentikna ban ai kajinga dai kajing im jokinong shnong bat ban pentikna bakan omdan kanu kajing shakta yaki
inter village meeting basically to promote coordination and peace and tranquility in the temporary police camp that has been established along the border side. It was a very cordial meeting. There were 4 representatives from our side, from the village of Lapangap, as well as 4 representatives from the Tapat side. We explicitly ensured that there should be nobody who is not a bona fide resident of the concerned villages, and that was adhered. The meeting went on cordial. Both the sides discussed their issues, particularly which was pertaining to cultivation. And after some time, there were other issues also raised from the other side. But the main point is, the point of contention that our side had a bigger heart and they said that yes, if you want to continue the cultivation in the areas which are of differences, we do not have any problem. That is, the Tapat side people can come and do the cultivation, provided they cannot do any plantation related activity. Any agricultural activity which is like maybe horticulture or anything, they are okay with that, because such kind of resolution has already been passed by the village darbar. So now we have apprised our higher ups, including Honorable CM Sir and Deputy CM Sir, for the latest development, because the final thing, it has not been conclusive, though Tapat side has assured that our farmers can go towards the areas or they access their fields and do the cultivation from their end, and from Tapat side there will be no problem for any obstruction or any problem.
Do you have any conversation with the high authority of the government during this meeting?
Currently, we have just briefed them up about the development. Later on, once they will communicate with their counterparts and give us the instruction accordingly.
So,
see, we have a heavy deployment of police forces, even on the field area also. We have SFTN along with multiple police people on the ground, and the same has been communicated to district administration as well as the policing on the other side. We are taking care of all the steps to make sure that this does not escalate further, and we have asked our farmers to come back today, and then we will present it accordingly today. See, from the administration side and the police side, they have asked us to, we have jointly requested also that yes, the farmers who are accessing the field should not be hindered. At least the protection from their side should be there. But from our side also, we already have a heavy deployment for ensuring that no casualties or any such incidents get reported.
my question now, what is the option from district administration? Would you set a camp in that particular area which the incident happenings every time?
Currently, it is too early for me to say this. We need to discuss it with our higher ups, then we can comment on this. Currently, see, in our state of Meghalaya, particularly talking about the West Jaintia Hills, there's effective and efficient coordination between all the departments, as well as there's a huge synchronization between what the orders or directions are given from the topmost to be implemented on the ground.
From your district administration, would you show the power to direct all the departments we concern to the farmers to look about their livelihood now for a long month they have been suffer from their food? What?
From our side, we'll try to explore all the possible options to ensure that the livelihoods of the people living in the village are not affected.
Would you directed all the departments?
Yes, all the departments are doing the needful. See, this is from our side, we are ensuring that at least the the peace is maintained. Rest, we are waiting for the final things from our higher ups. Once the coordination is communicated to the other side, then yes, the way it has been since ages, how the paddy fields have been accessed or how they have been living with harmony, I'm pretty sure that yes, the same would be restored back.
We have seen even the
we have been committed and we have getting active support from our village sides, especially the headmen of the village along with the executive committee. And yes, whatever directions are passed by administration or by police under the jurisdiction of SP sir, it has been really well coordinated, and I believe even in future and there won't be much problems, though we are trying our level best to make sure that the access is being given and they are able to maintain their livelihoods.
As DC sir has already briefed, the meeting was held in very cordial manner. We understand the bottlenecks which are there in place. They are there from long time, and we are trying our level best to sort it out. I would also like to inform that during the meeting itself, I was constantly in touch with our Honorable CM sir. I was briefing him what is going on, and I'm sure he would be in constant touch with his counterparts. We will be submitting detailed report from both DC office and SP office, and hopefully we will see that peace and tranquility recovers and comes back to this particular village forever. That is our hope, prayer and endeavor, alongside the political establishment spearheaded by our CM sir, the administrative establishment spearheaded by Chief Secretary and DGP, and our district administration.